We are so excited to be staying the next week at the Welk Resorts. The lodge is at Timber Ridge in the Welk Resorts in Branson, Missouri. And we're gonna give you guys a little peek of our home away from home the next week. So. We are in room 1926. It is a 1-bedroom condo. So let's go in. There's Hayden. All right, so coming in, we're in the little entryway. It does have these beautiful little sconces, lights, and nice art, nice little table to put your things on. I'm gonna do that now. Door, does have a doorbell. One thing that I wish it had was more space to put your shoes, or like even something to hang your bag or things on, but it's all right. We come in and we're in the kitchen. So it does have a full kitchen. So we have our refrigerator. We brought some things from home. It was only a 3-hour drive, so we packed our cooler and brought our milk and coffee creamer and things like that from home that we knew we'd be needing this week before we head to the grocery store. Freezer, lots of space for the freezer, and lots of cabinet space, countertop too. So it did have a blender. I brought my cheese grater, a toaster, lots of storage. Again, we brought food from home, so lots of space. Another just like it. Lots of space. 4 drawers here. So they have some placemats. I brought some of my grilling tongs. More stuff that we brought, but lots of space here. These drawers, and then it does have all of your pots and pans that you're going to need. Over here are your casserole dishes. Oh look, I didn't need to bring my grill tongs. They had some. You never know. So you have your casserole dishes, colander, serving plates, all of that good stuff. And even some Tupperware, that's nice. And then over here, we have our microwave and oven. More cabinet space. There's all your glasses. Up here, nothing. And then all of your plates and bowls, and it looks like a little sugar bowl things. And then your coffee maker, silverware. Nothing in there. Let's check over here. Over here you have your knives, cooking utensils. Oh, that's nice, a wine bottle opener. That's always good to have on hand. And then looks like your mixer, cup holder. And then under here is going to be your trash can, back there, dish drainer, like that. You do have a dishwasher. It's always nice, big double sink. We brought our own dish soap just because I like this kind, but they did have like some palm olive down there. So some outlets up here, a nice bar area. So you have 2 bar stools, and then the table, let me back up. The table has the bench side, which I love, and then the 2 chairs. So I love this setup. I have this little doll here. Then you have your little coffee table, and I love this lighting piece. You do have a closet over here. So we are just storing our backpacks and cooler and pool bag in there. But this is where your broom is, your ironing board, iron, extra bedding for the pull-out couch, and then your little carpet sweeper. So We brought some board games with us, so that doesn't come along with it, but you have a little shelf here with, it looks like your surround sound. It has a Blu-ray player, different things in there. You do have a nice big flat screen TV mounted on the wall, a fireplace. Don't think we'll be using that, it's summer. Nice big coffee table, big sofa. Hayden's over there playing. Chew, bless you, no sneeze. This does pull out to a queen size bed, a chair, another little area. We'll go ahead and go out on the patio. Hadley's hanging out here. So we are on, it's first floor, but it's really the second floor. So we have these two nice rocking chairs, little table in the middle, and then you can dine al fresco. So we may be eating dinner out here a couple of nights. And this is our view, which, you know, it's really pretty. You can see the mountains over there, but you do get the parking lot view. There's balconies from over here. And there's Hadley again. Doors going in. This does have doors going into the living area and doors going into the bedroom. So, and we'll come back in here. Are you coming in? Come back in here. And this does have a little adjoining door over there where I'm assuming where you would add on to make the 2-bedroom. We just need the 1-bedroom. This 1-bedroom sleeps, oh goodness, I think it could sleep probably 8 because you have, at least 6, because you have 2 on that bed, maybe 5, 2 in the bedroom on the bed, but then the bedroom also has a pull-out couch. So one of the perks of staying in a condo is washer and dryer. Love it. They do supply you with some washing powders, but it only comes with 2, so we always bring our own. So there's that. Going into the bathroom, we have a nice big jacuzzi tub. Very nice. Some little art over here. And over here you have your shower. We've already packed and moved in for the week, so all our stuff is out. So you have this big shower with waterfall head. Nice big glass door. The toilet area, and it's so funny, we don't have any toilet paper, so I've got to call the front desk. We don't have any paper products. So we have toilet paper in here, or not toilet paper in here, should I say, but your toilet area, and it's nice because it does have a pocket door, so you can close that off if you need to. And then you have a nice big mirror, double sinks, lots and lots of storage in here. So you have, we've already, like I said, moved in. We're gonna be here for a week, so. Drawers, nice drawer area. Lots of things. It does come with a blow dryer, but I love my blow dryer, so I brought mine. Towels, we will definitely need some more towels. Yeah. And then from the living room, so here's the doors. And from the living room, you can go into the master bedroom, or the only bedroom. So it does have other doors that go out to the balcony.
There's only one door.
Yeah, that's just a big window. It does have a, I guess this is a chaise lounge, and it does fold out into a full-size bed. So you could sleep.
You could sleep here.
You could, yeah. There's another bed. Little coffee table. Lamp. It does have 4 drawers. We've already got all of our stuff in here. Moved in. King size bed.
I like
Another
it. It's so soft.
night table here.
I like that clock. It's good.
And then I really like the ceiling fan with the antlers. You do have a big TV, other side of the fireplace. And then closets, lots of closet space here. And then there's another closet here. Closet with your safe. And, oh, I just noticed these beams in the ceiling. That's really pretty.
They're little logs.
And then it does have a door, sliding door into the bathroom. So, yep. So that's our home away from home for the next week. Do you like it, Hadley?
Yeah.
I think we'll be comfortable.
Yeah.
All right. And that is all for this video. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you on our next adventure.
Bye.
Bye.